Hello everybody, welcome back. This was sent to me for review and I'm going to look at it. It is the YY dog and cat bowl ceramic. I've got two terriers that eat, so I figured this would work out really nicely. All right, you have that. Okay, there's that. Let's take a look at the bowls. Microwavable, dishwasher safe. There's some weight there. I like that. I love the color. That would go with just about any kitchen. I like it. Yeah, all right. That one. Let's grab this one here. Oop, there we go. Same thing. Very nice. Like I said, they are dishwasher safe and microwavable. All right. And then these. There we go. Sorry. Let me just do this really quick. There's that. Put that back. Well, you know, we now know that they come apart really easily. But what I like is this. Okay, they clamp together there, so there it is. And they hold 32 ounces of water. All right, there you go, folks. YY ceramic, microwavable, dishwasher safe. Very beautiful, holds everything that you want for your dog. These come apart, so for storage or to move them around, and holds 32 ounces of water. So there you go. Check them out.